Hello friends, right now in this video I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data problem on Infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can move on to systems. Here is the system option. So you just suppose you are from this feature, suppose you are in this feature. From here you have to scroll down to system, then from here you can move on to reset phone here. Okay, then again here you have to move on to reset Wi-Fi setting, then after that here click on reset setting. So when you click on reset setting, it will reset your the problem of the Wi-Fi, mobile data and the Bluetooth. It will fix all these problem. Okay, several problem about the network. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.